Yo, it's your boy GizmoBuilt, back with another one. We are back with the 8,000 watt NBpower stealth bomber kit. My boy Mike had a little accident during the auto learn feature. He didn't tighten up the nut so well. So he brought it over so I could get a hand on the bike. I'm gonna give you guys a little backstory if you guys didn't see my previous post on this bike. He reached out to me a while back to try to get a bike built. I went down and I guided him through everything. I got him a special price and I got him everything to build the bike. And around this time I had a bike accident where I got hit by a car and I was not able to build the bike. All the parts that came in, I didn't know how long I was going to be down. So my boy took it upon himself to build the bike, which, by the way, he did a hell of a job. So in the process of the auto learn with the FarDriver, he didn't see the clearance between the rotors and the caliper and everything, and he kind of chewed up the wire. With a motor of this caliber, we didn't want to just replace a harness, so we ended up getting a new stator. And the process of replacing the stator is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This motor gave me a little bit of issue with the bearings, but we got that sorted out. But this is the process of just me putting everything back together and kind of slowly but surely making sure that that wire was not going to rub, getting all the proper spacing and everything. I'm very meticulous when it comes down to my wiring. I have to make sure everything is soldered, everything is shrink wrapped. I don't like loose cables. I have a very meticulous OCD when it comes down to my wire management and my wiring. I guess it took down from the RC world. Everything that I do always is clean. I try not to have a rat's nest with anything. All the wires, I make sure I solder everything. I try to run everything and kind of plan twice and work once, how they say. My boy Mike, he put a lot of time and effort into it. This was before the rat's nest. This is how he had the bike before. And I call it a rat's nest because it's just a bunch of wires that you can't really do much with. And either it's a camera, backup camera that has AV wires that you just can't cut and splice. Just a couple different things. But we could always clean that up. But yeah, he built this bike after the red bike that I have on my channel, which is the 5,000 watt bike. So he wanted to kind of, the guy that I sold it to, when I sold it to him, it was too fast for him at first, so he put the bike up for sale. So this gentleman that had this bike built was trying to buy it off of him, but the guy I sold it to didn't want to sell it. He had like seller's remorse last minute. So my friend Michael was very determined to go ahead and get himself a bike replicated to that with the amount of power. He liked the color scheme. He liked everything. So this is more or less an inspiration off of that bike. I'm going to show it to you right now. Safe to say the inspiration is there. I love this bike. I really miss that bike. I actually built the battery around the whole bike. Here's some of the fine tuning. Attention to detail. Every little thing has a place, every wire has a spot, every thing has a thing. It was kind of a risky move just going ahead and just going straight forward and just cutting a brand new set of plastics, but I think I've done this once or twice, or 10 or 15, 20 times. But again, guys, is attention to details. I like to make sure everything is useful, meticulous, everything's on there. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. By the way, this clip right here actually blew up on TikTok. It's got like 20-something thousand views. Yes, sir. Be sure to check out TikTok gizmobuilt too. So this is one of my favorite parts of the builds, is actually when the customers want to personalize their bikes and give it a different look. He actually ordered this red snake. And I guess this is one of my favorite parts of the whole build, is actually wrapping a seat. It actually gives the bike a complete different look. It gives it your own little personal touch, and it's not a hard thing to do. I'm actually going to give you guys a how-to video if you guys want to. You know, it's something you guys could do at home. You need a $20 Harbor Freight staple gun, some staples, a yard of Amazon vinyl, and you guys are good to go. But yeah, I really like how this seat came out. I really like his choice of colors on the bike. I hope you guys enjoy my video so far. Come follow my tribe today. I fucked him now, he hit it. He feel some type of way. Don't know how to say. Ain't the hardest man word. I know attention we pay. It's always. We're gonna have some fun, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. We got the first glance. We over here with my boy Michael. Are you gonna peel it off? Hey, it came out badass. All right, did you download the BMS app like that?
You didn't send it to me.
I sent it to you. Yeah, I'm sure this guy has a lot better pictures of the bikes than what we do. It's very funny. This guy actually went up to him and he tried to Google gizmobuilt like 30 times.
Mine spoke quicker.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
In your car. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Actually, really